Mommy. Mommy, baby.
Congrats.
Congratulations. Good job.
Nasaan? Wait natin si baby.
Nasa Nico pa, nasa Nico.
Maybe they will bring later.
Congrats,
If anything, you can press this one. I will connect the fluid. I will check the order. What time you can start the fluid diet. Usually after 12 doctor will write what time you can remove the catheter. Usually 12 hours. So it should be in the morning time.
Okay.
Okay. I will check the what time you can take. Maybe 4 to 5 hours you can start the fluid.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sister.
I will come back.
Kumusta?
Masakit.
Sakit.
Masakit. Len.
Sabi ko ba't makay ka na lang ba?
Nanginginig ka.
Ito sa ano?
Okay ka lang?
Hindi masyadong marami ang anesthesia.
Nakaramdam ko.
May ginawa ka ba?
Siguro
Sa anesthesia. Hindi ka.
Masarap ba higa? Just mo higa dito. Ano kaya? Hindi pa ako makagalaw.
Hindi pa pwede. Nanginginig ka. May ginawa ka ba?